Welcome back, everybody. Today out in the shop we have a Chrysler 3.8 liter engine. Now this engine can be found in most of your Chrysler and your Dodge minivans. Today Elena's going to talk about some of the features on the 3.8.
So this is a pushrod design engine. It was built as a wider bore, longer stroke version of Chrysler's 3.3 liter. While it is noted as not the most powerful, but also not the least powerful, most people say that it is quiet and drivable. This is Chrysler's first 60-degree V6 engine that was not based off of a V8 platform. It was built for front-wheel drive vehicles and also as a larger, more powerful counterpart to the Mitsubishi 3.0 liter. This was built in two different major variants, differing by piston displacement of 3.3 liters and 3.8 liters respectively.
As you can see, we offer this as a standard long block. Coming with it, you'll get a new set of Fel-Pro gaskets, also the intake gasket as well as the rubber inlays. And it will also come with the Mellings oil pump repair kit.
We do want to note that for the 3.3 and 3.8 liters, production ended 22 years ago. So if you find yourself having a hard time getting these from somewhere else, Drew is going to tell you a bit about how you can buy them from us.
You can give us a call at 888-842-0023 and talk to one of your drivetrain geniuses.